This is my workout.
Do it.
The only work he's
Do
done all
it.
week.
We made it successfully. Yeah, you did. You screwed me up. Look at that. They screwed me up. Made it to Las Vegas for NADA Convention 2018. Yesterday, March 20th, was a travel day. Today, March 21st, setup day at the Las Vegas Convention Center. I know I've said this before, but you can't kick off a trip to Vegas the right way unless you start off with breakfast at the Peppermill. Wrapped up breakfast at the Peppermill, and now we're going to Finley Chevrolet to pick up all the vehicles that we're going to have on display at the convention center. I wanted to make sure in this episode of the PDLP to give a huge shout out to the guys at Finley Chevrolet. They've been an SCA authorized dealer, a member of the Passion Driven family for years. Every year that NADA is in Las Vegas, we actually ship our vehicles to Finley. They clean them up for us and keep them stored in a safe location so that our job is as easy as possible when it's time to move into the booth at the convention center. Did y'all already gas those two up? Just got them?
They're almost done with the other two.
They definitely did a good job detailing. These babies are looking fine. You don't have to say anything super special.
Say Rod McSweeney's the best guy I've ever met.
Rod McSweeney is the best guy I've ever met.
Alicia was watching y'all's Facebook page and she was like, hey, that's their marketing girl. And she was like, I'm gonna go find her. Do you know anything about SCA Performance Trucks?
Drove the Silverado.
What was your feeling? Good vibes?
Dude, it was a beast. And everybody was like looking at us, and they were all like, and I had to park it at the City National Arena where the Golden Knights actually practice. And all the players were just coming up to us. They were like, what is this truck? They were so excited, and how I parked it parallel to the building. They're all like, how did you get it up there on the pad? And I'm all like, professional.
I think that's good enough. What do y'all think? Pretty good?
Awesome.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No
What was your name
problem.
again?
Joyce.
It was good to meet you.
Yes,
I'm
you
Drew.
as well. Nice to meet
yeah,
you.
I'm sure we'll see you around again.
Yes.
All right, we are finally on our way to the Las Vegas Convention Center for load-in. Steve, you just put your right in my shot, man. Hey, you too, buddy. God, we got everything officially in the booth. Didn't hit anything on the way in, which is nice because it gets super crowded in here, as you saw. Now we're gonna get everything set up. How you feel about it? Pretty good, or?
I feel like it's at least a 30 new dealer weekend.
What? That's shooting awful high.
Shooting awful high, but you know
Steve,
what?
you're gonna have to pull us through, baby.
Here's the real question: is he weak as Menipee? That's the real question.
I guess he's talking about them
Did he
little
pee?
fish, yeah.
Oh.
What is Menipee? Is that a fisherman's?
Well, when they pee, you know, it's in all that water, so it gets pretty diluted. That's pretty weak.
Fair enough.
Talking about.
Huh?
Being weak.
He said Steve is weak as Menipee if he don't open 30 new dealers this week. You gonna put that on there?
This is my workout.
Do it.
The only work he's
Do
done
it.
all week. This is how much work he does after Mexico.
Hey, your 30 dealer goal, man, if you don't get your head in the game, it's gonna be out of reach.
Don't worry about it.
Hey,
Huh?
I'm gonna give you a razor blade so you can cut plastic. I've got one too.
I'll get off now. I just had to get that shot. Yeah, sure. See, I got it. Did I hear somebody say beautiful?
They're beautiful.
Which one's your favorite?
That one.
The Tahoe?
I want the one on the corner. I want the one here.
I want them all.
Oh, well, see, there you go. And then
Well,
there's that.
then you need to buy you one, and then you buy her one, and then y'all can just have a pair.
Isn't that beautiful?
Y'all are doing some great work.
Thanks, Drew.
Yep.
You are too, buddy.
Drew,
Ah!
come here a minute.
Oh, man. That was a good shot. What am I looking for?
Red wire.
The one she's feeding up through there?
Yeah.
I got one.
Yep, that's it. There's one.
All right, there's one. The other one's coming the same way?
Yeah. That's okay.
Yeah, it's fine.
What are you laughing at?
You're more interested in looking through that camera than you are trying to find that dang wire.
It's all for the cause, baby. Hey, watch your language. This is a family show.
Crap. Here, grab it.
I can't see it this time. Wait.
There it is.
Oh, I got it.
Grab it.
I got it. Yep.
Perfect. That's it.
All right, that's what it takes to hook up a power inverter to a battery.
Where do you want to put the literature racks?
I think we just put 2 in the front and maybe just let that be it, like on either side of the table.
Yeah, that's fine.
God, that lighting is horrible.
Oh, God, I'm going to do that. I'm just kidding.
And now you're out of focus. Today's just not your day. I'm sorry. It's not your day.
Tomorrow.
Dave Bailey. Sorry, you scared the crap out of me.
The lighting better?
Huh? Yes, it looks good now.
Yes.
Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in just a touch.
Oh, no, don't put it in.
What are we doing? Where are we going?
We're going to get name badges.
And I'm coming with you?
Yes.
All right.
Please.
All right, we see you guys later. It's crazy that in like 2 days, this place is gonna be completely clean, and you would never even know that it looked like a certified disaster area. How's it going so far? Thank you.
Bye.
You're awesome.
We're official.
All right, we got that knocked out. We're officially NADA show exhibitors, and now we're headed back to the booth. All right, I think that's the last thing we have to do for today. We're gonna wait and detail the trucks tomorrow after everybody else gets done setting up and the dust quits flying.